my god, this lighting sucks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this beautiful eyeshadow because I got a brand new eyeshadow palette and it is the cutest thing I've ever seen, and it has all the perfect colors. This is especially good for like people with blue eyes who have like warm toned skin. That sounds so bad because I look paler than I really am, but I have like really red skin, so this palette is absolutely perfect for it, and I cannot wait to show you how to do this. It is going to be amazing. Let's get into it. Alright, so I went ahead and I took off my beautiful and hard, oh my god, I went ahead and I took off my eyeshadow makeup that I already had on previously, so if I look a little bit like a raccoon, you're just gonna have to excuse me until we fix it. Okay. You're going to need this beautiful Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Mattes. And it is absolutely gorgeous. It is only $7, which is so well worth it and so cheap, but is good quality and it's well ready to make pretty much anything. They don't have any names for the colors, they only do numbers, which, you know, I kind of wish they had names for it because that would be a lot more fun. But one of my favorite things about this is it's got this white and it's got this black color right here. And these two are going to be extremely helpful for anything that you create when you're doing eyeshadows. Now the white you're going to want to put under, say if you're doing a brighter colored and you want it to look more out there, more outlandish, say if you're going for like for a night out or, you know, a date or something, that's something you want to go for. Or if you're looking for more of like a really dark kind of thing, want to darken it up and really make your eyes pop, then go ahead and do the black. But I'm going to start off with this pretty white and put that on my base. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And pray to God that it, you know, covers up the blackness of my eyes. Okay. Next color we're going to take is this pretty yellow color. And we're going to take that and we're going to put it in our crease area. I like to put mine a little bit above where my actual natural crease is, only because I have hooded eyes and it makes them look more open if I do that. But if you don't have hooded eyes, then go ahead and put it in your natural crease. That's nice and bright. Next, we are going to take a fluffy blending brush. And we're going to take this color right here. It's a little bit more of a darker yellow, kind of like a orange, a little bit more to it. We're gonna go right in the natural crease and blend it in nicely. Whew. Alrighty, so next color we are going to take is this beautiful orange color right here. Going to take your blending brush and go right over everything once more in your crease. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some concealer. And I am going to very carefully go right across my lid, kind of make a cut crease. Just like that. It just makes it look a little bit more put together. Then we're going to take a regular fluffy brush, just like this one. Go back to the beautiful eyeshadow palette. And we are going to be taking this pretty color right here. Go ahead and dip into that just a little bit. Just a wee bit. And go over that beautiful concealer that you just placed down on your lid. Just kind of smooth it in nice and gently. Don't want to put it too hard and hurt your eyeballs. Okay. We're going to be taking that same brush and we're going to be going over to this darker, more red color right here. We're going to go over that same pink color that we placed before. Just like that. Then we are going to take that fluffy brush. We're going to go ahead and go over everything. Just kind of blend it out. Next, we're going to take a little bit of that white color again. Oh boy. We're gonna go ahead and take this white color once more, grab a little bit of it, and go over this pink just to lighten it up a little bit. Now, if you want to keep it dark, you can keep it dark. It's up to you. I just prefer to have something a little bit lighter because it makes my eyes pop. We are then going to take this pretty one right here and basically go through all the colors that we used on the eyelid and go under the eye. Y'all be careful of this stuff right here. I hate when that happens. And take the next one, go over it once more. Oh, there's a shiny car outside. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stop at this pretty color right here, this orange color. And just very, very lightly go ahead and just put that near your outer corner and just kind of rub it in about halfway of your bottom lid. Next, we're going to take that concealer one more time. And grab some of it, sweep it under the eye, and down to your corner or up to your corner right here. Just to kind of keep it looking good. Go ahead and mix that in. Make sure you edit this part out. I gotta fix my bra. What I gotta do. Next, we're going to take the Almay, can't pronounce it right, excuse me. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go about halfway on our top lid and just go over one. I probably should use a different eyeliner than this one. It's just a little bit much. It's kind of a thicker line than I would like it to be, but you know, it's fine. Okay, well, my recommending would be that you don't use a thick eyeliner like I just did, because that was a terrible idea. Normally I use a really thin one, but I don't know where exactly it went, and I would only do about halfway on the top lid, and I would just go down and give it a slight curve, but you know, that didn't work out. Now this is my absolute favorite to die for mascara. It is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, and it is absolutely gorgeous, well worth the $3 that I spent on it. It's amazing. Let me go ahead and apply that. Oh wow, look at those lashes. Oh my god. So beautiful. I love me some pretty lashes. You know, I don't understand how men can have such beautiful long lashes and don't even they don't even use mascara for it. So either they're using mascara and they're just not telling us, and that's like one of their dirty little secrets, or I don't know. I really don't know. Okay. Let's go ahead and let that sit. Oh, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Ugh, don't cry. Why do my eyes have to be so sensitive? Okay, we're gonna go back to the eyeshadow palette and pop it out. Go ahead and grab a pretty light brush. I like to take this smaller one right here because it's so small, and I'll grab a tiny bit of that white once more. And I like to go in my corners and just make them pop a little bit. How pretty is that? And that's it. It looks good. Alright, you guys, I hope you like this look. It was a lot of fun to make, and it was super duper easy. I absolutely love this new palette that I got, and I absolutely love the Essence mascara. It was perfect for my eyelashes. I mean, look at those babies. Nice and long, and my eyes are absolutely popping. Look at how bright they are. I am so in love. Well, I hope you guys have a good day, and I can't wait to see you again for the next video. Bye.